Seems legit.
Hey, Legitimates. I got another package. So it was actually delivered on the 12th. Nobody told me about it, so I got a reminder in my mailbox today, which I thought was quite outrageous because I have been waiting for this. This is from the Australian Bag Making Supplies, and I have no idea what's in here. So we're going to use my scissors to just snippity snip that plastic without snippity snipping anything else, right? These things are, ooh, I see fabric. I'm always careful when I open packages because I don't want to wreck stuff. Would you like to see what we've got? All the things pretty much sums it up. Alright, I always like to check in here just to make sure I'm not throwing out glorious things. How did you know I like hot chocolate? So completely unrelated note, the only hot drinks I drink are hot chocolate. I don't do tea and coffee. Awesome. I don't know what to do first. Let's start with this because we can see it. Ugh. We have some really nice strapping. It's like a cotton. It feels really, really nice. And this is like a beautiful, should we call it plum? I don't know what it's translating like there, but this looks very plum and a black. Ooh, my brain's already like, I know what I'm doing with this one, but my brain's like, ooh, what purple? Oh my God, Jack Skellington. Right, so I already know what I'm doing with that. Then we have no idea what's in here. All the pretty things. You can't see me tip it out either, so you have to wait. I'm gonna take it out of the plastic so you can see better. Alright, so this is a magnetic snap clasp, but like a pretty little case that you can put on, and they are dragonflies on like a lily pad. That is so cute, and it comes with the matching what's it called, magnet. That is adorable. Oh, we could have put it on the frog thing. It's alright, we're gonna make a different kind of something. We have zipper pulls. So we've got silver melting candle skulls. There is 2 of them. They look awesome. I just assume they're size 5. They look like it in my hand. Unfortunately, because I've had so many things, I can now tell what they all are. Oh, here we go. Oh my God. It's a strap connector. Oh, I didn't even know these things existed. Do you know how excited I am? It's a tombstone that says RIP on both sides, so there's no right or wrong side. And it's like a cool strap connector part. And I've got D-rings to go with it. And there's so many cool things. Another skull candle drippiness. So if you have a closer look, I don't know if this is going to work. It's got like drippy candle bits down it. So that's definitely going to be a thing. We're not finished yet. I've got another one here. This is printed zipper tape in like rainbow mermaid scales or dragon scales, depending on which way you look at that. You could do it for either. They both work. And ooh, here we go. These are different again. It says Faith, Trust, and Pixie Dust in rainbow. So this side's more purple, and this side's more turquoise, green, whatever, teal, turquoise, teal, aqua. They're all much for muchness in my brain. That's really cool. Faith, Trust, and Pixie Dust. I'm staring at I can't see my fabrics, but I'm staring and I'm like, what will go with that? Oh, and then it's like a magical fairy door. That's really cool. I can see me about being obsessed with like custom zipper pulls, people. And a fairy. Oh, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with that, but I'm excited. This is really cool. It's like a mini cut cutting board. So if you want to just like sit here and like cut the holes for your magnets or something, it's like a cute little mini one. It's gotta go in my cart. Has to go in the cart. All right, next we have interfacing. It is 150 GSM. Oh, that feels nice. So it's a woven iron-on interfacing. And it feels nice and stiff. I think I would use this on the outside of a bag to give it that like oomph. But that feels really nice. I will be linking all of these things underneath. So even if I call it the wrong thing, I put the links up in order, so just go through. But that, interfacing. Oh, I get to play with all the things. We've still got a couple more here. So this is, printed waterproof canvas in like a beautiful gray. It says handmade. So the little bits that you can see that look like lines, it says handmade, and it's gray on gray, which is nice. It's a nice neutral that will go with so many things. I keep staring off. I'm sorry for staring off into space. My brain's like, ooh, what am I gonna do with it? So then we've got that one, and then we've got one more. And this looks like a charcoal. Oh no, it's black and it's like black and gold. So that's cool too. So again, waterproof canvas. Feels nice actually. So it's the polyester stuff. Looks awesome. So it's another, I like neutral insides that aren't boring. This is like got some, it almost looks like it's got texture going on, but I really like the pattern, and they're neutral so they can go with everything. If you don't have the space to hoard, I mean I don't, but I do it anyway. But if you only have a very small area, fun but neutral linings is a good way to not have to have as much stuff while still having options. So because gray goes with everything. Black, gray, and white go with everything. Very rarely does it not match. I like it. I like the print. I'm really excited about all these like cool little add-on bits. I've personally never bought them. It's never even occurred to me to get them. But I can see things happening with this. And I like that it says the print's on both sides, so it's not just one-sided. So you can pick which side you like most, or if it's hanging in between, which this one's definitely gonna do, like, or they probably both will. But because it's hanging in between, you can see what it's gonna be on both sides. I like that. That is very clever. And then this could go with this. Oh, so many things. This was really fun. I love getting packages when I don't know what it is. I don't know, it's like so much more fun. I should sign up to more subscription boxes, I reckon. I love just like, all the things. And I've got a little card here, that's cool. So I will put a link to all of this in the description. I'm really excited about that interfacing. I've never used it. And it feels, whoops, don't lose that. It feels nice. Like it's thick, but it's woven. So it's a very tight weave, which is good. It means it's more stable. And I like that. Oh. All right, so that was my package. Thank you all for tuning in. I'm sure I'll do some more in the future. These will just be randomly. So you might get them clumped together and then spread out and then just randomly. I have very little rhyme or reason to the order with which I do things. Unless there's like a final date I have to have it done by, I'm a bit kind of all over the shop. But these are really cool. Love me some good strapping. So we're gonna do, what I'll do is, because there's two, I'm gonna do them both different ways. So one will just be one way and then one's gonna be something else. I have plans already in my brain, it's ticking over. Thank you all for tuning in, and make sure you like the video if you liked the video, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can see every time I do other cool videos. Alright then, bye!